Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about what is going to happen in Euro USD pair. We'll do the Forex analysis for 6th to 10th April 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.24% negative move. 1.15105 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bullish candle with a small body and a small or a medium lower wick and a big upper wick. This is currently a doji candle. Here if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 1826 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So yeah, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. So let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 1.15105 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.15083 and direct resistance is 1.15500. After direct support, there is a support of 1.14583 and then 1.14165. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.15706 and then 1.16000. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared the discount coupon codes which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels and get a better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platform. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive closing in this range, that is 1.15500 to 1.15706. I am expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once this level, which is 1.15083, gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level, that is 1.14583. Remember, we will always look for a better closing of candle and accordingly we'll trade, even if my expectations are a bit positive. But if the price shows that we are going down, then we'll go for a short trade. But if the price tells us that we are going for a long, then we can go for a long for this trade. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.